A big day in the courtroom. The state rests its case in Lori Vallow Daybell's murder conspiracy trial, and Vallow says she intends to do the same. She's already been convicted of killing her kids in Idaho. She's on trial here for conspiring with her brother to kill her former husband. The I-Team's Erica Stapleton was in the courtroom as all of this unfolded and breaks down what to expect next.
The state resting its case was not a surprise. The prosecutor told the judge that could happen this week. But Lori Vallow Daybell, who has been fighting tooth and nail to get an expert and certain witnesses on her list, that came as a surprise when she told the judge she wanted to rest her case, too.
Are you going to present evidence tomorrow, either through witnesses or through your own testimony?
No, Your Honor, the defense will rest.
Technically, Lori Vallow Daybell didn't officially rest her case because the jury wasn't in the courtroom when she said this. That means she can change her mind up until closing arguments and the jury is read deliberation instructions. As of now, that's scheduled for Monday. All of this after a big day of testimony in court. The prosecutor arguing throughout the trial that Vallow Daybell conspired with her brother to kill her former husband, Charles Vallow, back in 2019. On Wednesday, the prosecutor revealed text messages between Lori and her brother discussing Charles being possessed.
Through this investigation, we had learned that Ned was the name of a dark spirit that had taken over Charles' body.
When we talk about the dark spirit, is this something that through your investigation, as we've heard in court, was a name that Lori had associated or given to Charles Vallow?
Yes.
The state also showing the jury messages between Lori and her new husband, Chad Daybell, romantic messages after Charles's death, and messages talking about how Vallow Daybell did not get life insurance money from Charles's death because he changed the policy.
So I talked to the insurance company. He changed it in March. So it was probably Ned before we got rid of him.
On cross-examination, Vallow Daybell was argumentative with the state's last witness, the Chandler detective in charge of the case, raising a lot of issues, like whether certain evidence had additional testing, like the gun Lori's brother used to shoot Charles.
So why didn't you test him?
Because I did not think that luminol was needed to be tested because there was no visual blood.
Throughout the trial, Vallow Daybell's maintained this was self-defense. Before saying she wanted to rest, Vallow Daybell put forth a motion trying to dismiss the case, saying the state didn't present enough evidence. But the judge shot it down.
The court does find that there is substantial evidence that a reasonable juror could find the defendant guilty.
Time will tell to see when Lori Vallow Daybell will officially rest her case. Both sides will be in court Thursday without a jury to discuss jury instructions when they get to deliberation. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.
Erica, thanks. We'll continue to follow the trial as it unfolds on air and online. We do expect a hearing tomorrow, and we'll be streaming that exclusively on our streaming app, 12+. And when closing arguments get underway, we'll be streaming those as well. Download 12+ on your TV and watch for free.
Now